Find or read reviews that people are talking of LUCHEN Sauna Tent, 4-liter full-size portable steam sauna with 1500 watt, steam remote control, folding chair for detox, reduce stress, fatigue indoor. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose LUCHEN Sauna Tent? Below are some reasons why you should choose. Portable home saunas. Enjoy it alone. Do you know how wonders for your health that sitting in a sauna for just 10 minutes a few times per week? That's right, not only is it ultra relaxing to use a sauna, but by getting in a good sweat session every now and then, you can help reduce your risk of high blood pressure, relax your arteries, calm your mind, and even prolong your lifespan. Never underestimate the power of a good sweat session, especially when you're using the steam sauna. Best of all, you don't have to go to a spa to get the sauna experience. You just have to invest in a personal sauna. This sauna may be lightweight and compact in size, offering the perfect amount of heat so that you feel cleansed in body, mind, and soul. With a 9-level temperature control panel and 6 timer options, you can get the exact experience you want. You get it fast since this sauna unpacks instantly and heats up in mere minutes. Whether you're looking to do a full-scale detox or just ramp up your regular self-care routine, this is the sauna only for you. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.